Welcome to our introduction to ASP.NET, a powerful web framework. ASP.NET is a framework developed by Microsoft for building dynamic web applications and services. Its primary purpose include building web applications, creating APIs, and developing web services. ASP.NET offers rapid development tools, cross-platform compatibility, and built-in security features. ASP.NET has various frameworks including the traditional .NET framework, .NET Core for cross-platform development, and ASP.NET MVC for a structured approach. You can use multiple languages with ASP.NET such as C#, VB.NET, and F#. The architecture includes WebForms for event-driven applications, MVC for a more organized structure, and Web API for building RESTful services. ASP.NET has a vibrant community and extensive resources including documentation, forums, and tutorials. Learning ASP.NET opens up opportunities for building powerful web applications and services efficiently. Thanks for joining us. Please like and subscribe for more insights on technology.